Hello guys, my name is Sepp Mechler. I'm very proud to present you the very first M model by BMW Motorrad, the MRR. The MRR is built for racer. The MRR is street legal. M stands for power, performance, racing, exclusivity, born on the racetrack. M stands for the strongest lever in the world. And today I want to go with you guys into the technical details of the MRR. Let's talk about the technique of the MRR. It's built for racing. It's street legal and it's the best performance for all racing teams. Let's start on the wheel. We have the carbon wheels as standard. We have the M brakes, definitely benchmark. Then we have the winglets with lot of performance. We have the engine, 4 horsepower, new chassis geometry, and in the end, full titanium exhaust system. The M competition package. Content with M wheels parts, M carbon package, silver anodized swing arm, 220 gram lighter than the R, low weight, free friction, DLC code, and controls shape, and GPS telemetry. This bike has the original M Motorsport color. You read it always from left to right. We have the light blue, dark blue, and the red. And we have as well the black fuel cap and the engine cover in granite. This is M. The engine is optimized for the MRR. Maximum RPMs 50,100, 212 horsepower at 14,500 RPMs, maximum torque 113 Newton meters at 11,000, more power between 6,000 and 15,100 RPMs. The engine is revving much higher, much bigger. For that we have forged piston, we have titanium conrods, and we have a lighter rocker arm. It's 1.5 millimeters thinner, and the cylinder head is more stable. The bike for racers. BMW M winglets, made out of carbon, tested massively on the racetrack in BMW Motorrad. What is the benefit of the winglets? Same top speed, better acceleration because the front keeps down. ETC, dynamic traction control, has less to work. It helps you as well on the brake because you have more load on the front. In the corner it keeps you turning and helps you to the apex. Down pressure, more load on the front. 140 kilometers, roughly 4 kilo. 200 kilometers between 7 and 10 kilo. 300 kilometers, 60.3 kilo downforce on the front. Conclusion, are you faster with the winglet? Of course. Per lap, 0.7 second to 1 second faster per lap. That's a big benefit. M brakes, it's the very first time which BMW Motorrad has M brakes. It looks super nice, it's gold with the M logo. Each of these brake calipers are 60 gram light. The brake disc is 320 millimeter, thickness is 5 millimeter. What is the benefit of the M brakes? Crystal clear feedback. If you need more brake power, you just can a little bit pull and you get absolutely more performance. Super clear, super high performance on the street and on the racetrack. And we have as well a big benefit on the rear brake. The mounting point of the rear brake is under the swing arm. This is very easy now to remove the rear wheel and put it in or outside. M titanium exhaust system. It's massive lighter. It's 3,657 kilogram lighter. It looks beautiful and you feel the weight reduction on the racetrack and on the street. Let's talk about the TFT 6.5-inch dashboard of the RR. We have the same on the MRR. later on. You can analyze it on your laptop and you see all your details. Have fun. I'm using the BMW Connected app on the country road, and you can analyze everything. You can watch where your ride was today, how fast it was, your lean angle, your acceleration, everything. You can use it as well for navigation. The BMW Connected app is free of charge in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. That you never run out of battery on your mobile phone, we have a USB socket on the back. Carbon wheels. They are standard. They are 1.75 kg lighter than forged wheels. They're street legal, and the benefit for you is less rotating mass, and it's for your best lap time. MRR has a new chassis. All these changes are for more performance on the racetrack. Let's start on the front. Castle length is the new 101.4mm, 7mm more than the R, offset 26.5mm, 3mm less, steering angle 66.2, 0.7 degree less, swing arm length 608.3mm, 50mm longer than the R, wheelbase 1457mm, and the seat height is 832mm, perfect ergonomy, the winner on the racetrack. And we have much more. We have the M chassis kit, new -2mm, 1mm, 0, +1, +2mm, and then we have a new threaded rope with the eccentric, very easy to adjust, rear height 6mm new, and a new spring with 100 Newton per millimeter treble. Perfect chassis on the track. Everything designed for the race, like the remote brake adjustment. MG data logger and detector for the radiator grill, central work stand and carpet and tire warmer. All those for the pit lane and even more parts are available as optional accessories. Special developed for racing, not for use on normal roads. 3 different engine kits for superstock and superbike, electronic kits, race exhaust system, configuration seats on tank, race body kit are all engineered and developed by BMW Motorrad and available by our partner Auto Racing. The MRR, the bike.